Sabi nila, law-law yan. Hindi. Ilaw-ilaw yan. The real pronunciation is yaw-yaw. What does yaw-yaw mean? Hi everyone, just call me Ricky. I am the founder of Foodie Global. We've been in the industry for quite some time. So please feel free to ask any questions, if anything.
What inspired you to start Foodie Global Concepts, and did you always know you wanted to be in restaurant business?
Passion ko to eat. I was big before. Okay? So, wala akong ginawa kundi kumain na kumain. Mareklamo pa ako. Sabi ko, ay maalat to, benta. Sabi sa akin ng supervisor, sir, pagtayo na kayo sarili yung restaurant. So, which naging kaibigan ko yung kusinero. Sabi, sige, finance kita, tapos kita na isang balik sa restaurant. Very small. So, that's where we start. Linano ko ba yan? Hindi. Nangyari. Okay? Your question was, what inspired me? Definitely economics. I got married early. I have to feed the family. So, first inspiration was economics. How do I feed the family? So, I have to make money. The eagerness to make more money than what I'm getting with my family was there.
Hindi ko ba kayo rin magluto? And ano po yung special?
Secret ako ang kanyang pagsasabi ha. Hindi ako marunong magluto. Mahilig ako kumain. Alam ko anong tama, anong mali sa pagkain. Pero if I really cook, I don't. I eat.
I wanted to start my own business as well, and I want to sell spring rolls within my classroom. I was scared kasi po baka hindi po magustuhan po ng classmates ko yung spring rolls ko po. Ano po yung pwede niyo pinibigay niyo?
Okay. Number one, pagpa-food tasting ka, huwag sa nanay mo ha. Okay? Kasi sabihin na nanay mo, masarap eh. Okay? Sa kaibigan, kapag-anak. Sa corporate world, ang tawag dyan sa focus group study. Yan yung kukuha ka ng mga 10, iba-ibang age, iba-ibang income bracket, blind tasting, lalagay mo yung pagkain, titikman nila, kanya-kanya comment. Tapos maglalabas sila ng pagkain ng ibang kumpanya, ididikit din nila, ipo-compare. So, ang ganun natin gawin din sa'yo. That would answer your question of acceptability. Kasi hindi lang ikaw ang nag-evaluate ng product.
Para sa inyo po, ano mas mahalaga po?
Alin?
Diploma o diskarte po?
Baka hindi ka lang mag-aral eh. Both. Ang greatest equalizer is education. Kaya mahirap ka o may pera ka, greatest equalizer is education. It doesn't harm you kung matapos yung diploma. But it will harm you kapag hindi ka nagaling. And then EQ follows. EQ comes in whether may diploma ka o wala. Not all of us can be successful businessmen. So may fallback ka. If business is not for you, then maybe the corporate world is for you.
Parang makatatak na po na family name nyo is ano po yung business niyo. Ano po yung ginawa niyong way para malesen yung pressure?
I had a few businesses before I pinpointed on yung magiging direction. The capital came from my father. Lucky for me na I had a father who supported me on my first venture. Yun yung sinasabi ko question kanina na diploma ba o negosyo. Una, pwedeng stages naman yan. Pwede mo naman i-mix match eh. Una, siguro yung diploma. That means you go to the corporate world. After which, pag nalaman mo na, doon ka pwede siguro magsimula mag-negosyo. And meron ka ng capacity and knowledge to do it. So I think the social media and digitalization will equalize the business. Ang daming success story ko nakita na naging multi-millionaire started without capital. Si Diwata for one, di ba? Sa Go-Negosyo, ang dami nyo may encounter. Kasi sila yung bida ngayon sa Go-Negosyo. Pag pumunta kayo Go-Negosyo Convention, makikita niyo yung mga interview, puro mga online. Yung baso namin, for the longest I will be using this because of the uniqueness when I saw it. People were complaining, ang hirap minum sa baso nyo. This went viral, 35 million views. Alam mo na ginawa nila? Nagpipictures sila on how to drink from it. Viral siya, 35 million views. So, malalaman niyo ba kung anong viral? Hindi. It's the people dictating. Sinadya ba namin yun? Hindi. It just happened. Ang kinakain nyo ngayon yaw-yaw, tuwan-tuwa kami dyan. Nag-aaway sila sa chat room dahil hindi nila alam ang pronunciation. Sabi nila, law-law yan. Hindi. Galing China yan, law-law yan. Hindi. Ilaw-ilaw yan. Nakakita yata sila ng ilaw. Maganda kasi yung. The real pronunciation is yaw-yaw. From Spain. What does yaw-yaw mean? Nothing. It's an expression. So it's a Spanish brand, fastest growing in our company now. I think you have to find a way that you can make use of digitalization for your future.